In today's video, I'm going to teach you to bass boost in CapCut. If you want your music, voice, or sound effects to feel fuller and more powerful, boosting the low end is a quick way to add warmth and impact. I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need, and I'll share a few simple tips to make sure what you hear is clean and punchy, not muddy. First, open CapCut. Give the app a moment to load your workspace so everything is ready to go. Next, bring your media into the project. Import your videos and the audio you want to enhance so they appear on the timeline. You can use a dedicated music track, recorded dialogue, or the original audio tied to your footage. Whatever you plan to bass boost should be on the timeline where you can see and select it. Now click the audio. This means selecting the audio clip on the timeline so it's highlighted. You should see a waveform for the audio track, which helps you confirm you're working on the right clip. Selecting the clip tells CapCut exactly where to apply the change you're about to make. With the clip selected, look for the audio effects. In CapCut, audio effects are grouped together so you can enhance sound without leaving your current project. Click the audio effects option to open the panel. You'll see a list of effects designed to shape how your audio feels. Some add space, some add clarity, and others, like the one we need, focus on low frequencies. From that list, click Bass Boost. The effect will apply to the selected audio clip, and you should notice an immediate difference when you play it back. Bass Boost emphasizes the lower frequencies to create a fuller, deeper sound. It's especially useful for music, cinematic impacts, and certain voice types that benefit from additional warmth. As you listen, use a pair of decent headphones or speakers so you can actually hear the low end. If the bass starts to overwhelm the mix or causes distortion, it's a sign to be mindful of how strong the effect sounds in your particular project. Different recordings respond differently to bass enhancement, so trust your ears and make sure the boosted track still blends well with the rest of your audio. And that's it. Open CapCut, import your videos and audio, click the audio on your timeline, open audio effects, and choose Bass Boost. A few simple clicks, and your sound will carry more depth and energy, helping your edit feel more immersive and professional.